Good morning, class. I am Teacher Lu.
And I am Teacher Jen.
So before we proceed to our discussion, may I request everyone to please stand for the prayer to be led by Ms. Sona. So please arrange your chair and after that you may take your seat. So before I continue, class Vidal, may I know who are the absent today? So very good, there is no absent for today's discussion. So before we start our discussion today, I have some rules and regulation for us to have a good relationship with each other. So first, be nice to your classmate. Second, raise your right hand if you want to answer. Do not answer in chorus. Third, listen when someone is talking in front. Do not interrupt. Fourth, respect teachers and classmates. And fifth, observe silence if the teacher is discussing. Am I clear, class? And for today's discussion, I have here our learning objectives. So at the end of the lesson, the student will be able to describe the concept of axiom of infinity and successor set and their relationship. Appreciate the importance of successor set and formulate a set and find its successor. And now, before we proceed to our discussion, let us first have a short game. So I have here a scrambled letters. Just raise your right hand if you want to answer. So our first scrambled letters is this. So class, what do you think this word is? Very good. This word is mathematics. Next, we have this one. Yes, this is theory. Very good. Next is this. Just raise your right hand if you want to answer. Yes, very good. This is set. Next, we have anyone? Oh, yes. Yes, very good. This is successor. Next, last word is this one. What is this, class? Yes, at the back. Very good. Axiom. So since you've answered all the scrambled letters that I gave you, I assume that you are ready for today's discussion. But before that, I will group you into three groups. Let us first start with this row. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And now please proceed to your respective groups. So each group will be given the same task. So this is for group 1, this is for group 2, and group 3. So before you open the envelope, let us first read the directions. Direction. Inside of the envelope, take a look on the information, numbers, and questions and choose the correct answer out from the given choices. After answering, prepare a yell, then select a representative to present your output. You are only given 10 minutes to answer the given activity. By the way, I will present your rubrics for the presentation. So we have accuracy, 20%, and for the presentation, 15%, and cooperation, 10%, and time allotted, 5%, the total of 50%. And you may now start working with your groups.
Are you done, everyone? Okay, very good. Let us now start with your presentation, starting with Group 1. Okay, thank you, Group 1. Clap your hands, everyone. The next, Group 2. Okay, nice. Group 2 did well. One mistake is not bad. Clap your hands for Group 2. Okay, the last presenter will be the Group 3. Very good, Group 3. Clap your hands for Group 3. Job well done, everyone. You've got the correct answer. It seems that you really understood your task. So based on your task, what do you think will be our discussion for today? Okay, you. Thank you. You have an idea. Since your classmates have already an idea, I will now present to you our discussion for today. Okay, before we begin our formal discussion, I have here Lorna's bucket. If you remember, will participate during our discussion, your bucket will receive a paper coin consists of points. We have 1 peso consists of 3 points, the 10 peso consists of 10 points, and the 5 peso consists of 5 points. So, kanina naka-receive ng 45 points yung group 1. So, we will be given them a 20 points. And then, to 40 points, bibigyan lamang natin sila ng 10 points. And then lastly, group 3, 44 points, bibigyan din natin sila ng 20 points. Okay, now we will start our formal discussion. So our topic for this session is all about axiom of infinity and successor set. Axiom of infinity is an axiom asserts the existence of at least one set that contains the empty set and is closed under the operations of forming successor. Next, there exists a set A fulfilling the following condition. So, ang axiom of infinity ay mayroong dalawang condition. First, the empty set or the null set is an element of the set A. Then, two, if A is an element of the set A, then its successor A plus is also an element of the set A. Okay, anyone, what do you think is the importance of the axiom of infinity? Yes, Rhea? Okay, thank you. The axiom of infinity will be needed to guarantee the existence of the set of all natural numbers. The natural numbers will be defined recursively by 0 is equal to null set, and n plus 1 is defined or represented as n union the set of n. So the first step in this direction is the investigation of set of the form A union of the set of A. And set is denoted by A plus is equal to A union of set A, wherein this line is called as the successor set. So anyone, what do you think here, what do you think is the symbol here of a successor? Yes, Kim. Okay, thank you. The symbol of the successor is this A plus. So now we will proceed to the following important properties of successor set. Okay, the first property, we have A plus or successor set is not equal to null set or empty set. Let A be a set and A plus be its successor, then the successor is non-empty. Proof. The assertion follows from the fact that the successor A plus contains the set A as one of its elements. So for example, we have here the A contains an element of null set. So kahit null set ang nakalagay dito, ang A plus or ang successor ay hindi mawawala ng elements. So, yan ang tinatawag natin na ang A plus ay is not equal to null set or hindi siya magiging empty kasi lahat ng element ng A ay mapupunta sa A plus. Okay, next is we have A is an element of A plus and A is a subset of A plus. Let A be a set and let A plus be its successor. Then we have A is an element of A plus and A is a subset of A plus. Proof. The assertion follows from the definition of the successor A plus is equal to the A union of the set A. So, ang ibig sabihin ng condition number 2 ay yung A daw is element of A plus and then A is a subset of A plus. For example, we have the set A 5 and 6 and then the A plus or the successor is 5, 6 and then the set of 5, 6. So meaning, ang element ng A is also an element of A plus, wherein nandito yung element ng 5, 6, and then makikita din siya dito sa successor set na 5, 6. Then A is a subset of A plus kasi lahat ng elements ng A or ng set A ay makikita sa set A plus or the successor set. So 5, 6, nandito din siya sa element na A plus, ay nandito din siya sa set na A plus 5, 6. So, napatunayan natin na A is an element of A plus and A is a subset of A plus. Then, the last condition, the property rather. We have A plus is equal to the A or the set A. Let A be a set and A plus be its successor. And then, we have A plus is equal to A. Okay, the proof is that assume that there exists a set A such that A plus is equal to A. So, ang A or the set A must equal to the A plus. It is because nag-base lang tayo ng equality nila because of their element. So now, we will proceed to the condition of the successor set. The first condition is the empty set or the null set is an element of the set A, but not an element of the successor set. Then next, if A is an element of set A, then its successor is also an element of the set A. So meaning, kung ang element ng set A, if A is an element of set A, then yung successor ng set A is also an element of set A. Kumbaga, equal lang sila or same sila ng elements. So, any questions? Clarifications? Good. Now, let's go back to the successor set. A successor set. Let A be a set, then the set A plus is equal to A union of set A. Is called the successor of the set A. So for example, set A is equal to 0. Null sets. So the formula or the successor set is A plus is equal to A union of set A. So let's copy the elements of A. So we have 0 now set. Then union of the set A. So looks like this. Then we have the set of null sets and the set of null sets. So we have the successor. And this is the successor set of set A. Then the next example. So let A or let set A contains an element of A and B. So again, the formula or the format of the successor set is A plus is equal to the A union of set A. Okay, the next, the A contains an element of what? Very good, A and B. And then comma, the contains of the set A. Let's just copy this. A, B, then so this is the successor set of set A. Kumbaga, yung formula ng successor set is the set A union of the set A. The elements, ito yung A is elements lang muna yan, but the set A is copy this bracket. So, do you want another example? Okay, good. I have here. Okay, the next example is let A is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we have, so, ako na lang ilalagay para mas maintindihan ninyo. So, set A contains the elements of 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So, A plus is equal to A union of set A. So A, the elements of A are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, union of the set A. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have now the successor set 5, 6, 7, and the set of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the successor set of set A. So do you understand our topic? Any questions? Violent reaction? Okay. Since we're done discussing the axiom of infinity and successor set, kindly get 1/2 crosswise of paper because we will be having a secret, a think, pair, share. Find a partner, then formulate your own set and find the successor of that set. I will give you only 10 minutes to finish that, and after that, you will submit it to me. Understood? Okay, thank you. Okay, since you are already done, kindly submit your paper. And please go back to your respective chair and get one whole sheet of paper and answer this. Okay, kindly submit all of your paper here in front. And take a look on our assignment. So that's the end of our discussion for today. I hope you've learned something.
Please stand for a prayer.
Amen. So, goodbye class.